Alright, today we are doing linear equation in one variable. Explanation to this topic I have already given. If you haven't watched that video, you please watch that video first and then you come to this practical part. Here we are going to solve linear equation. The question will be like solve the following linear equation or solve the following or only solve. Now here the types of question which you'll have, I have divided it into 3 levels. The first will be level 1. Here you will get simple questions like x minus 2 equals to 7. This is the simplest form. Here you need to find out what is x. X can be calculated here by keeping this x here equals to 7 on the other side, and this minus 2 comes here as plus 2. Now you need to remember few things here. Suppose you have plus and you send it to the right of equals to. Now after equals to, if you move it to the other side of equals to, it becomes minus. Suppose you have minus and it goes to the other side, it should become plus. If you have multiply, it becomes divide, and if you have divide and you send it to the other side, it becomes multiply. Now these are the 4 basic operations which you need to remember as of now. You have square which becomes root over becomes square. These things are not needed for now. You need only this 4. Now here it was minus 2 and we send it to the other side, it comes as plus 2. Now x equals to 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 will give you 9. So this becomes the answer, x equals to 9. Let me give you one more question from this level. Suppose you have 7x minus 9 equals to 16. Now here first we will send this 9 to the other side. 7x, let it be here, equals to 16 also is in its place. 7x was in the left side of equals to, 16 was on the right side. This was on the left side, minus 9. If we send it to the right side, it will come as plus 9. Now 7x equals to 16 plus 9 will give you 25, and x equals to 25 by 7. This becomes the answer. Now come to the next level. Next is level 2. Now here the questions will be slightly complicated from the previous one. Like you will have fractions, you might have fraction, and along with fraction you will have say x on the both side, variable on both side, or variable numbers on both side which you need to replace. Now say you have x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Here you have x on both sides. What you'll do, you'll bring all the x in one side first. Now this is x by 2, let it be here. This is x by 3 which is on the right side. If you bring it on the left, it will come as minus x by 3 equals to, on the other side you have 1 by 4. This minus 1 by 5, if you bring here, it will come as plus 1 by 5. Now take LCM. If you have a fraction and another fraction, you need to add or subtract. What we need to do first, we need to take LCM. LCM of 2 and 3. Nothing is common, multiply. 2 3s are 6. Now you see, what did we multiply with 2 to make it 6? With 2 we have multiplied 3. So with the numerator also you need to multiply 3. Again, what did we multiply with the denominator? 3 into 2 makes 6. So with the numerator also we'll multiply 2. Now x into 3 will give you 3x minus x into 2 will give you 2x equals to. Now same thing repeats here. We have fraction with different denominators. We will take LCM. LCM of 5 and 4. Nothing is common in between 5 and 4. So what we can do, we can multiply them. 4 5s are 20. Now you see what is multiplied with 4 to make it 20. We have multiplied 5. With numerator also we need to multiply 5. And what is multiplied with 5 to make it 20? We multiplied 4. With numerator also we have to multiply 4. Now 1 5s are 5 plus 1 4s are 4. Now 3x minus 2x will give you 1x, or simply x you can write, no need to write 1, divided by 6 equals to 5 plus 4 will make it 9 divided by 20. Now when we have a fraction equals to another fraction, equals to is in between, we need to cross multiply them. Cross multiply. We need to cross multiply them. Now x will be multiplied with 20. 20 into x will give you 20. X equals to 6 will be multiplied with 9. 6 into 9 I'll write down here. In the next line, 6 9s are 54 and 20x. We don't need to find out 20x, we need only x. So if we write only x here, on the other side we will have 54. This 20 is multiplied with x. If we send it to the other side, it comes as divided by 20. Now both the numbers are divisible by 2. We can cancel. 2 2s are 4. From 5 we have taken 4, 1 extra will come here. 2 7 are 14. 2 1s are 2 and 0. So we got x is equals to x equals to 27 by 10. This becomes the answer. Now, okay, one more question let us do from level 3. Suppose the question is in this form, wherein we don't have anything on the right side, everything is on the left side. Say like, suppose we have 15 y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 equals to, say, 0 on the other side. We don't have any other number. Now what we need to do here, we need to first work according to BODMAS. We'll remove the bracket by multiplying this 15 with both the numbers, this 2 with both the numbers, and this 5 with both the numbers. Now if you multiply this, we have 15 multiplied with y, we'll get 15y, minus 15 if you multiply with 4, we'll get 60. Then minus 2 into y will give you minus 2y. Then minus 2 into minus 9 will give you plus 18. Then 5 into y will give you 5y. 5 into 6 will give you 30 equals to 0. Now we will move all the y's, we'll keep it here, and all the numbers will move to the other side. Now this is a y, this is y, and this is y. These three numbers will remain on the left side itself. This is 15y, we did not change its place, sign will not change. This 2y we did not change, sign will not change. And this 5y we are not changing the place, so sign will not change. Changing the place means sending to the other side. Then on the other side we are going to bring all the numbers. This is a number, this is a number, and this is a number without y. So 60 is a negative number, it will come as positive 60. 18 is a positive number, it will come as negative 18. And 30 is positive, so it will come as negative 30. Now when we have a row of number with positive and negative, what we will do, we will add up all the positive ones and we will add up all the negative ones. First add up all the positive. Here positive 15 and positive 5. 15 plus 5 will give you 20y minus 2y equals to, positive numbers are only 1, 60, so 60 will remain as it is, minus all the negative numbers also we need to add up. 18 and 13, sorry, this is 30. 18 and 30, they will give you 48. Now here 20y minus 2y will give you 18y equals to 60 minus 48 will give you 12. Now y equals to 12. This 18 will move it to the other side. The relation between 18 and y is multiply. If it comes to the other side, it will come divide. Now cancel both the numbers. Both the numbers are divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 9s are 18. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. We got y equals to 2 by 3. This becomes the final answer.